Quite looking this unit? I gotta check out my new ride. This thing runs right here. That's an easy $300, maybe more.
You're not gonna sell it. Shut up.
I know if it ran and I was gonna sell it, which I'm not. That's okay, Brandy. Just stay there.
Okay.
Good. Good.
Yeah, I will.
I don't want anything to happen to you. Oh, this guy was a detailer. There's a whole detailing business right here.
Is that a good one?
Compared to what?
A bad one?
So I feel like this is a really good pressure washer. I mean, it's a gas power, which is automatically at least a few $100.
Mm-hmm.
That's another $100 for that water tank.
Yeah.
All right. So basically, all that's left here is detailing supplies and trash.
Trash.
Yeah, there's nothing else of value back here. What? Oh my God, you're in the game.
How am I in the game?
You just double our profit.
Bright, juicy, white grapefruit, infused with herbaceous fresh mint. New Herbal Essences Naked Shampoo. No silicone, parabens, or dyes. There's nothing to hide. Bare your softest hair with new Herbal Essences Naked Collection.
Even the ends of my hair are tingling.
Let your hair get naked. Herbal Essences.
My mornings are definitely not routine, and that can take a lot of energy.
Introducing Nature Valley Breakfast Biscuits. 4 biscuits, 26 grams of whole grains that give you the energy to help keep you going.
I love Nature Valley breakfast biscuits.
Firestone Transforce Tires. Built to handle whatever the job demands. Durable, dependable Firestone tires. Whatever you drive, drive a Firestone.
Endless flavors, endless choices. Starting at one very low price, under $10. Try Ruby Tuesday's 3 new flatbreads, like shrimp po' boy with crispy Louisiana shrimp, or 6 cheese and tomato sauce, combined with endless strips to our garden bars, starting under $10. Only at Ruby Tuesday.
So you can start writing the great American novel. So you can happily let life get in the way while planning for tomorrow. So you can finish the great American novel. Banking for the life you have, investing for the life you want. Chase, so you can.
Play close. Good and close. Help keep teeth clean and breath fresh with Beneful Healthy Smile food. With special crunchy kibbles and great taste, it's a happy way to a healthy smile. Beneful Healthy Smile food and snacks.
Hey, Chris Webber. I'm trying to watch the... Chris Webber!
Whoa, is that...
2 sandwiches at $5 a Burger King.
Can I get a big king?
Watch like a king with the NCAA 2 for $5 deal only at Burger King, where taste is king.
Did you say Bounty paper towels are the best? Love it, they're a must?
Yes, I did.
This is Viva Vintage. It's different because of the stretch. Oh, that's awesome. That stretch means scrubbing power. I never knew paper towels could do that. New Viva Vintage, the towel more people prefer.
Don't wait for awesome. Totino's Pizza Rolls get you there in just 60 seconds.
Nothing makes me happier than people making a difference. Thanks for helping children everywhere who don't have shoes get a pair to call their own. It's a great start, and together we look forward to helping millions more. Bob's by Skechers. Look good, feel good.
Now playing on DirecTV Cinema.
My name is Jordan Belfort. We're raising a tiny apartment in Queens. First order of Wall Street. Nobody knows. The stock is going to go up, down. Just like that, I started my own firm out of an abandoned auto body shop.
Such a calm life. Yeah. You show me a pay stub, I quit my job right now. Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm blowing the stocks.
Is all this legal?
The Wolf of Wall Street. Movies start at Channel 125.
Elton John, Goodbye Yellow Brick Road, the album that created a superstar. 40th Anniversary Deluxe Edition, remastered with live recordings and much more. Available at Best Buy.
Did you put everything you own in boxes and then into a truck? And then take everything out of the truck and out of the boxes? You know the answers to questions like that, so you're the best person to do your taxes. Intuit TurboTax. It's amazing what you're capable of.
She made them 8 beforehand. You're the one who shot that man.
and the jury was going to have to believe them.
It's very hard to humanize somebody with that appearance.
I was hoping that the jury would realize that he was lying.
If I asked you to identify someone in the courtroom today, would you be able to do that?
After the first 48, all new episodes, Thursday at 9 on A&E.
We just doubled our profits. Yep. We're in the yo-yo business for sure. Oh my God, we got the mother load of